Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to our science class. In the previous class, we learned the deficiency of vitamins and the deficiency of minerals. So, two charts, tables are given there. The both tables we discussed. Okay, that both tables are very important. Okay, and all of you study it properly. You can read it several times. And after giving question answers, I will give some other work also. You have to prepare some charts and all that I will give. Now we'll go to the next topic. Deficiency of water, page number 21. All of you take page number 21, deficiency of water. We lose water from our body in the form of sweat, water vapor, that means respiration, and urine. That means the different ways water losing from our body. Okay, mainly sweating and water vapor and urine. This loss of water must be made up for, otherwise the dehydration can occur. This water can be made up for. How much water we are losing, that much we have to drink also. We have to made up, otherwise will cause dehydration. Otherwise dehydration can occur. Excessive loss of water from the body is called dehydration. What is called dehydration? Excessive loss of water from the body is called dehydration. If water too much losing from our body, that is called water dehydration. Vomiting, diarrhea, uh, burns, heat stroke, or excessive physical activities which cause sweating. Okay, these are the different causes. Means vomiting may cause dehydration. While vomiting, in our body too much water will go. Next one, diarrhea, loose motion and all. No, there also body water will go. Burns, कुछ जलाने से जला हुआ होने से, burning, burns. Heat stroke, too much sunlight if you get, then also. Or excessive physical activities, which cause sweating. Too much, if you do physical activities and all, not too much sweating will come, then it will cause dehydration. Cause sweating lead to dehydration. During dehydration, the body not only loses water but also loses minerals like potassium and sodium. Okay, while dehydration, not only losing the water. Okay, with water we are losing minerals like potassium and sodium also we are losing. This loss of minerals and water from the body may lead to cramps. It will cause cramps. It will make more weakness or other problems. The body cells shrink and cannot function properly. The body cells shrink. It will dry and it cannot function properly. Acute dehydration may also lead to the death of the patient. Too much dehydration may be cause of the death also. So dehydration is not silly. Okay, but simply we can overcome also. How we can overcome it? Okay, that we will see. Oral rehydration solution, ORS, is given to the patient to cure dehydration. Okay, if anybody happen dehydration, how we can cure it? That one, oral dehydration solution, ORS solution. Okay, is given to the patient. If you give ORS to the patient, then cure they will cure very quickly. ORS can be taken from primary health center free of cost. From the primary health center, it will be free of cost. It will be available. ORS in packet powder getting now. We will mix with water and we will drink it. If not available, one can also make it at home by mixing 6 teaspoons of sugar and half teaspoons of salt in 1 liter of boiled water. With 1 liter of boiled water, if we add 6 teaspoon sugar and a half teaspoon salt, we can make ORS. Okay, next an extra bit. The midday meal scheme has been launched by the government of India. Under this scheme, school-going children are provided free nutrients food in their school. In school, midday meal is there. Nutrients, pulses, and all getting. No, that's only given here. Okay. Government also supporting providing for the children. Okay, next page, page number 22. All of you take self-check questions. Okay, lesson completed. All of you read the textbook well. Okay, self-check questions. First one, what is balanced diet? Okay, just downside word bank is there simply answer is given there. What is balanced diet? A diet which contains all the nutrients in proper amount. That is what a balanced diet. Short definition. Okay, what is balanced diet? Yes, you can write there. Okay, in textbook. Okay, next one, match the following. Okay, vitamin A. Vitamin A is cause night blindness. Vitamin A cause night blindness. We can draw there, match it. Vitamin D cause rickets. Vitamin D cause rickets. Pencil take and draw it. Okay. Vitamin C causes scurvy. 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 Vitamin C causes so, lack of vitamin C, okay, causes scurvy, and deficiency of iron causes anemia. Okay, deficiency of calcium causes deficiency of calcium. That means osteoporosis. Okay, last one is calcium. Calcium is osteoporosis. These are the diseases. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. And deficiency of these, we will get these different type of diseases. Okay, next one. What is PEM? What is PEM? That is PEM means protein, energy, malnutrition. Protein, energy, malnutrition. Last one is what is obesity? What is obesity? Okay, in same page, means page number 19. This PEM is given there. What is PEM? Protein, energy, malnutrition. And page number 18, obesity. What is obesity? And no need to go there. Okay, here also given there the same page number 22. Last word bank. Last one, obesity. The problem of being very fat. Simple. What is obesity? The problem of being very fat. That is what obesity. And word bank also. Enzymes. What is enzymes? Certain proteins that regulate chemical reaction in our body. That is what enzymes. Next one, amino acids, building block of protein. And next one, fat soluble vitamin that are soluble in fat and can be stored in the body. That is called what a fat soluble vitamin. Water soluble vitamins that are soluble in water and cannot be stored in the body for long. That means that minerals, just before we learn, minerals like potassium and sodium, it can't store more. Okay, through dehydration, through urine, sweating, and all, no, it will go from our body. Balanced diet already told. Next one, nutrients. Okay, nutrients means components of food required for a healthy body. Next one, deficiency disease. A disease caused by lack of nutrients in the diet. Obesity already told. Round up also you read. Okay, page number 22. Read several times. Okay, and question and answer all. No question and answers. MCQ, fill in the blanks, everything. In next class I will give you. And today this much enough. Okay, then thank you. Have a nice day.